a nice fucking phone. So, what do we have here? Brent and Jason. In California, huh? Well, I hope your mama and your papa really, really love you. Because you two white boys, you look very expensive. And that's good because I like expensive things. I'm sorry, what did you say? What did you say? Did you want me to slice you open like I did your friend? Shut the fuck up!
Well then, okay, Voss. And that starts off today's vlog. Voss and his craziness. It's gonna be a crazy day. It's gonna be, well, not much of a crazy day, but the opposite of a crazy day. Get this lighting properly. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna be opposite of crazy day. So let's get to it. They get that lighting, you know, guys. Not in the garage to check out the amazing, awesome band behind us, but I'm in here to get some gracias food. Trying to get this nice fries, get this nice chicken, and let's make the best food ever. It's super cold. That's why I always gotta wear a sweater coming into the garage, guys. Alright, and as those burgers are being finished and done and all that good stuff, it's time to get a little snack, you know? Introduce myself to a little snack. As I was saying, gotta get the snack, you know? You know that? Gotta get the snacks. You gotta fall in love with those snacks. I don't really eat cereal much, but I should start eating my cereal, getting that milk in my bones for when I'm like working out and stuff. And I also heard from and I've seen results of some people when they work out, like they get sore and stuff, so eggs help. So, and so does milk. So like I'll probably have like a meal plan by the end of this week, next week, Saturday, Friday. Probably have my own like end plan for my meal workouts and stuff. So let's get into some snacks. Even though I don't really eat cereal much, I just call them snacks because pretty much they're sugar in a bowl. And that is what you call a manual keychain. It's upside down. But yeah, guys, I ordered it on Alleyway Express. So if you guys actually want it, I'll put a link in the description. Just comment down below if you guys want to know or want to buy one yourself. So yeah, I'm repping that merch. And there's something on the camera here. Freezer here. Anyway, it's nighttime. If you guys want to what I'm eating, gummy worms. Anyway, they're pretty delicious. Anyway, I got some clothes to do. Got a lot of laundry. Yeah, that's my new word now, guys. Laundry. But my sister and everyone else is awake right now, so they just woke up and she's watching 7 Deadly Sins. As always, guys. As always, watching 7 Deadly Sins. I'm gonna rock some tunes in the van. I'm still rocking on some GTA. But yeet. Forgot to mention to you guys, these vlogs that I'm doing, they're gonna be like raw vlogs, like raw clips and stuff of vlogs, and I'm just gonna keep going and keep grinding, and everything will become like way better and way better each and every day. The more like I keep going. So it's about to be crazy raw home clips until those days that come up to be the crazy days, so prepare for that. Teardrop in my homeless at the body. About to stream something for speed payback. Almost messed up the song there. Almost. Yeah, about to stream some Need for Speed Payback. So you guys already know what that means. I'm about to end off the vlog here and hop on the stream. So hopefully it will be. I will be able to stream this. The Need for Speed Payback on my PlayStation, because last night I tried streaming Need for Speed 2015 while it was beautiful, while it was amazing, raining and all that stuff. But anyway, it didn't work and my internet was being weird and dumb and everything. So hopefully I will get to stream some good Need for Speed Payback tonight on Twitch. So I will probably tweet that out on my Twitter that I'm streaming tonight. So hopefully some of you guys that view the channel will be watching on the stream. So yeah, I'm about to end the vlog here today, even though it was like just raw footage, raw clips. That's pretty much what I'm aiming for at the moment until next month or the month after, when I go do my road test and all that stuff. So hopefully you guys stick with me on this raw clip journey to get better on my vlogs and all that good stuff. I really need to fix my lighting, but yeah, hopefully you guys will stick with me, and I will see you. Well, actually no, tomorrow's my break. Tomorrow I'll be taking the break off for vlogging and all that stuff, because one, this beautiful book right here, it's amazing book right here. Yes, Sabbath day. So you guys already know I'm taking my one rest, work like 6 days and then rest the 7th. So yeah, tomorrow will be my day off that I take a break from vlogging and just relax and, you know, just chill. And then the day after that is when we start back vlogging and going nuts and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Amazing things are to come. Just hang in there, guys. Just hang in there. I believe it will come, and I know it will come. Amazing, awesome, cool, crazy, just all a bunch of like fun vlogs with cars and engines and all that good stuff. So I hope you really enjoyed. Subscribe and like and comment what you think of this raw footage vlog style stuff that I'm doing. So yeah, see you in the day after tomorrow's vlog. Bye.